Welcome to Scottish Drone Services. Today in the pretty town of Portree on the Isle of Skye, where we've been asked to do a drone roof inspection for a flat roofed property that's currently got a water leak. We're just going to get the drone up in the air, check out the roof, it's a flat roof, and see what we can see. So here just behind me, this is the roof we're going to be inspecting. As you can see, it's home to a couple of businesses, Over the Rainbow and the Cafe Ariba. And then it looks like there's some living accommodation at the top there. Okay, so let's get the drone in here and see what we can find. So it was quite interesting. Obviously we saw some water on the roof, quite a lot of damage to the slate tiles and cracks in the chimney wall, so that inspection did reveal quite a lot. So we'll be sending on those photos and video to the owner of that property. But before we leave Portree, let's stick the drone back in the air and let's have a look at this very pretty town. It's the capital of the Isle of Skye in the Inner Hebrides, and it's actually the only place on Skye where there is a high school. Join us again on Scottish Drone Services. If you like what we do, why not join us on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook at Scottish Drone.